Champions Oncology Inc. Nasdaq. CSBR. Stock rose 6.72%, as on December 13, 3:54 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time -4. Source: Google Finance, after the company posted mixed result for the second quarter of FY24. For the SECO-ND quarter of fiscal 2024, Champions reported a loss from operations of $2 million, including $53,000 in stock-based compensation and $484,000 in depreciation and amortization expenses, compared to income from operations of $7,000, inclusive of $119,000 in stock-based compensation and $560,000 in depreciation and amortization expenses, in the second quarter of fiscal 2023. Cost of oncology Salute IONS was $6.6 million for the 3 months ended October 31, 2023, a decrease of $825,000, or 11.1% compared to $7.4 million for the 3 months ended October 31, 2022. The decrease in cost of sales was primarily from a reduction in compensation and supply expenses along with lower outsourced lab service costs. For the 3 months ended October 31, 2023, total gross margin was 42.8% compared to 47.9% for the 3 months ended October 31, 2022. The lower margin resulted primarily from a decline in top-line revenue against relatively unchanged fixed costs within cost of sales. Research and development expense for the 3 months ended October 31, 2023 was $2.5 million, a slight decrease of $89,000 or 3.4%, compared to $2.6 million for the 3 months ended October 31, 2022. Net cash PR audited by operating activities was approximately $600,000 for the 3 months ended October 31, 2023 and was primarily due from increases in accounts receivable collections and deferred revenue. Net cash used in investing activities was approximately $150,000 for investment in additional lab and computer equipment. Net cash provided by financing activities was approximately $200,000 primarily from proceeds from options exercises. CSBR in the second quarter of FY24 has reported the adjusted earnings per share of -15 beating the analysts' estimates for the adjusted earnings per share of -17. The company had reported 19% decline in the adjusted revenue to $11.6 million in the second quarter of FY24, missing the analysts' estimates for revenue of $12.84 million. The decline in revenue was primarily from customer cancellations in prior quarters, which led to lower study revenue in the second quarter. Total costs and operating expenses for the second quarter of FY 2024 were $13.5 million compared to $14.3 million for the second quarter of fiscal 2023, a decrease of $746,000 or 5.2%. The company ended the quarter with cash and cash equivalents on hand of approximately $5.5 million. The company has no debt.